I just had a snack, so just ignore food in my teeth if you see it. Anyways, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a full face of first impressions. I have so many new goodies with makeup and I have a full new brush set that I want to try out too. Also, I just want to apologize for my hair. I worked out this morning. It was leg day, and if you guys don't know, I'm doing the Kayla It's Ness sweat app workout with my mom and my sister, and this morning it was brutal. I thought I was gonna faint like 3 different times, so I sweat a lot and I still haven't taken a shower, so that's fun. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Okay, so first we're gonna be starting with brows like I normally do, and before I get into the makeup, I just want to show you guys the brush set that I'm using today is from Japanesque. No, none of this video is sponsored, by the way. I just got a really, it's not even showing everything, a really big brush set from Japanesque, and the whole set just looks really nice, so I wanted to try them out to see if they're actually worthy or not. Okay, so we're first going in with this little angled brush. I wish you would focus. And we're gonna try out the Nabla Cosmetics Brow Gel in Venus, which is ash blonde. Not doing very well today so far. Stuff looks like a really nice color, and also it's very creamy in the pot. One thing about this brush is it doesn't have a spoolie on the end, and I just gotta have a spoolie when I'm doing my eyebrows. It does seem slightly warm, but it's not too bad, and it might dry down a little more ashy. Sometimes gels like this need some time to settle. Alright, and then to carve out my eyebrows, I am going to be using a concealer that's a little bit too dark for me. This is the only color that they sent me, and it's just a little bit too dark, but I really wanted to try it out, so I'm like kind of making it okay by using a darker foundation. I'm just letting you know right now because I'm about to carve out my brows, and it might be darker than my skin tone for just a second until I put that foundation on. But I'm using the Wander Beauty Dualist concealer, and this is in the shade Light. So one side is like a liquid concealer and the other side is a stick concealer. I'm going to be using the liquid side for now, and then using this little concealer brush from Japanesque. This concealer is very liquidy and not very full coverage so far from what I can tell, so I'm interested to see how it does like on my actual under eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that concealer on my eyelids. The brows look really good. I like the color now that they're all carved out and stuff. They don't seem warm anymore. They seem like a really nice ashy blonde color. And then to set my lids, I think I've used this, yeah, I have used this once, I think, but I don't really remember it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it again. This is the Pop Beauty Velvet Powder Base in the shade 2. I'm gonna take this big fluffy white brush and set my lids with that. Then I'm going to quickly curl my eyelashes. Okay, now for the product that I'm probably most excited for this video. This is the Nabla Cosmetics new Soul Blooming eyeshadow palette. It's like their spring eyeshadow palette, and it's so freaking pretty. As you can see, I've already swatched some colors, and they're really, really nice from what I can tell, at least. So we're gonna take this fluffy crease brush from Japanesque, and I guess I don't need to keep saying Japanesque because the whole brush set is from there. Then I'm gonna be taking this color called Gia. I think that's how you're supposed to pronounce it. And I'm just going to blend that up in my crease. Okay, then taking this smaller crease brush and the color Middle Karma, I'm gonna focus that tighter in the crease and kind of on my outer V. Okay, and then with that same brush and this shade right here that I don't know how to pronounce, I'm gonna go ahead and focus that on my outer V and my crease again. And going back in with Gia and just kind of blending everything out with that big fluffy crease brush. Just gonna clean up everything just a little bit with some makeup wipes. Okay, then with that concealer again and a concealer brush, the concealer brush that we used before, I'm just gonna create a cut crease just halfway into my lid. Okay, then I'm gonna take this flat brush and the color Philosophy. Hopefully the brush will work on it. If not, I'll have to try my finger. I'm just going to work that on the inner half of the cut crease part. Oh yeah, the brush works fine. Yeah, Nabla Cosmetics is really getting up there on my top favorite eyeshadows. Like, all their eyeshadows have not let me down yet. They're all so amazing. All right, and next for the eyes, I'm taking the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot, and this is in the color Frose. Frose? Is that how you say it? But it's just like a really, really pretty duochrome pink and gold color. I'm just gonna take that on my finger, and I'm just going to apply that right to the center of the lid and kind of blend those two shadows together. Okay, and then to spice up the look a little bit, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the color Winged. And this is from their new Hummingbird Stay Wild collection. It's just like a matte forest green eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a little wing with that. Hopefully it looks good. Okay, and then to spice things up even more, I'm taking the Nabla Dazzle liner, liquid liner, and this is in the shade Current Eden. And I'm just gonna draw a line right over that winged eyeliner. Not on top, but not over it, but like on top of it. You'll see. Okay, now I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm using the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I feel like this tube thing is all of a sudden becoming a really big trend for mascaras. Okay, and the only thing that's not new is the eyelashes. I haven't gotten any new eyelashes lately. These are just the Iris Beauty lashes in Athena. I'm gonna apply these really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, now getting started with the face. I'm going to start with the Pixi by Petra Rose Flash Balm. I've had this stuff for a while, but I've been kind of afraid to use it because it says it's a moisturizer, primer, and mask in one, so it sounds like it might be a little bit heavy, but I'm just gonna try it out today. So it just looks like a pretty thick concealer, moisturizer. It is thick. And it's definitely for moisture, so I mean, I like that. I have dry skin. All right, and now for foundation, we're gonna try the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation with SPF 50, which is a lot for foundation. This is in the color Light. It's way too dark for me, but like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm using a darker foundation, so I'm able to use this concealer because it's the only shade of concealer that I have. Just to let you guys know, so you're not like, wow, she really thinks she's a lot tanner than she actually is. So it seems like the same consistency as their CC cream. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in with the Japanesque beauty sponge. It's damp. This would actually be the perfect color for me if I was wearing fake tan right now. See how much? Oh my god. So much darker. Okay, so it says that it's full coverage. I definitely wouldn't go that far to say that it's full coverage. It's medium coverage. It might be full coverage if you do another layer. I'm not going to though because it looks really, really nice. Definitely moisturizing, definitely dewy. I don't know if this would work for oily skin, but it looks really, really, really nice on my face. Like I would definitely want to continue to wear this for my drier days or like my drier periods. All right, I'm gonna add some of that concealer, the liquid end. Very curious as to how this is gonna do. It seems really, really sheer. Oh my god, my hair is crazy. That's actually really nice. I don't know why I thought that it just wasn't really gonna cover anything. Okay, everything looks really, really nice. My skin looks nice and even, nice and dewy and healthy, not too cakey or anything. So I'm gonna set everything with that Pop Beauty powder using this weird fluffy angle brush. This brush is slightly rough. Definitely not the softest brush in the world. Okay, then I'm gonna take this smaller tapered brush and just hit underneath my eyes a little bit better. Oh yes, my face looks nice. Okay, and then to finish off the face, I know this is like kind of cheating a little bit, but I'm using the new Butter Bronzer Collection palette, and this is in light medium, and it's got the Butter Bronzer, Butter Blush in Natural Glow, and then 2 highlighters. I think I'm gonna go for the powerful one in Galactic. I know that I've used the Butter Bronzer before, but we're just gonna pretend like it's new because I don't have any new bronzers. So I'm gonna take this really, really fluffy brush for the bronzer. I guess it is new because I've never tried the light bronzer. I've always used the darker one. I mean, it is showing up a little bit. Definitely not as much as the darker one. This brush is really nice though. It's applying bronzer really evenly. Alright, that's fine. Not like I really need that much bronzer anyway. So, alright, then I'm going to take this flat, smaller fluffy brush and going in with that blush color in Natural Glow. This is definitely a luminous blush, which I'm not always a fan of, but I guess we're just gonna go for it. It looks fine. It's not too like sparkly or anything. Just gives a nice glow. Okay, and then taking this small highlighter brush, I'm gonna go in with this insane highlighter right here. I don't know how it's gonna look. It is a little bit creamy. Oh shit. We're going for glitter today. No big deal. I wanted glitter anyways, so this works out awesomely. I'm gonna go in with this color right here in Full Moon for my nose and my like lip and chin, because I don't really want glitter on my nose. And also my brow bone. And my inner corner. Face is looking really, really nice. Like, I really like how my skin looks right now. It's so pretty. All right, and then to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil, and this is in the shade Vice. It's like a very sparkly deep purple. I'm gonna put that on my waterline. And then also putting that on the lash line as well. Next with this dense shader brush and going in with the color Anemone. And I don't freaking know how to say that. Why are these shades so hard to say? Okay, I'm gonna put this over top of that, really dust that off because that is a powerful color. I'm gonna put that over top of that eyeliner and kind of blend it out a little bit. Oh my god. That is so purple. All right, and then with the smaller crease brush again, and the color Flowery, I'm gonna use that color to blend out that purple just a little bit. All right, and then adding some mascara to my lower lashes. And then for lips, today we're gonna try out the Karity Lip Lock in the color Tamar. I don't even know. I'm like butchering all these names today. Kind of feels nice. I really didn't have to add much of that to my lips for it to be fully opaque. Like, it was definitely full coverage in one swipe. Okay, and then to top it off, I'm gonna try out the Becca Glow Gloss. And this is in the shade Rose Quartz. Okay everyone, that is it for this makeup tutorial slash first impressions. I'm really happy with pretty much everything that I used today. The foundation was amazing, the eyeshadow was amazing, the face powders were amazing, the primer was good, the lip products were good, mascara, everything worked out really, really well. And honestly, the concealer surprised me. I thought that I was not gonna like it, but I actually really do like it. It was a really nice thin consistency and it actually did cover up my dark circles and blemishes and stuff like that. The foundation I am highly impressed with. I don't really like their CC cream, so I was kind of expecting to not like the foundation, but I actually really, really like it, and I think I'm gonna continue to use it like in my daily makeup routine because I've been searching for a really nice like dewy lightweight foundation. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try everything out. It was really, really fun. I feel like I haven't done a full face of first impressions in such a long time, so this was really nice to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in my next video. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.